Hey, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and today I have several random boat projects. We're trying to get ready for Labor Day weekend. We want to be able to take this boat out. I turned the toilet on, the breaker for the toilet to run, and it just runs continually. It's trying to flush all the time. And the seal was whining. You hear this whining coming out of the toilet seal. So I'm going to be doing that in 2 steps. I filmed previously the first step, which was removing the toilet, and I ordered the seals, and the seals are here. Alright, so I'm not really sure entirely how to do this, but alright, so I removed that. Okay, a foot pedal. So took that out. So now there's a collar on here. Okay, so that little guy came off. Okay, so I should have taken you down here in the first place. So I took that collar off. First I took the plastic depressor off of the top of this little handle, and then I took the base off. Now we're going to unscrew this. Okay. I should probably just undo this whole thing. Oh, okay, yeah, that's all coming off. Maybe I could just put that down there. It should be loose enough where that's going to come off. Okay, there it is. Okay. All right, another piece off. That's going to go out. A nice cleaning. All right, and then apparently this should lift up, so I'm going to move you. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I'm unscrewing this right here. I will show you the results. Okay, so I loosened this up, and we're going to take this off and see what kind of water we get from that. I am having to fight the heck out of this. I have a screwdriver in there, which I don't want to do because it's a plastic tube, but it will not come out. I can't get that thing out. Okay, I got it. You can see there's a little lip. Got a little lip on the end. That was a pain in the butt to get off. Alright, so we'll take this off. Let's disconnect it. And we'll see what we have underneath. So I think this is what we're replacing right here. It may look for an aftermarket. I'm going to measure that. This is the little bulb. It just kind of opens it up, opens and closes. So I'm going to measure this. All right, this is going to be part 2 of replacing these seals for the head. I need to tell you a little quick story that's funny. So when I went to try to buy these, I looked online, and the width of these is 6 inches. I'm sorry, so the diameter is just 6 inches. So I thought that's what I need. Couldn't find anything online. Saw something in West Marine. They sold for $80 bucks for these 2 things. $80. I'm like, that's ridiculous. So I thought to myself, why the heck is there nothing? This is a standard toilet, I think. So why isn't there nothing in this size? Well, here's what I figured out. I'll show you. guess what? This isn't the right size. So the previous owner, whoever did the work on this, they didn't use the right size. So what I ordered online for like 16 bucks, not 79 bucks. So here's the new guy. Okay, so these are the new guys. Obviously they're bigger. Notice it has a notch there, and it goes right like that. I'm not going to put this on here yet, but this is the correct size. You'll see, because I want to clean this off first. Okay, so I got these 2 seals. This one says this side up. This is the heavier one or the thicker one. I think this one goes right here. And that is a perfect fit. And then this one goes here. And that should be good. Put it back together again. Okay, I cleaned out the toilet while I had it out. So that was probably a good idea. I'm gonna make sure I seat that correctly, no pun intended. Hose back in. So I thought this toilet was going to be an easy fix, but it is still leaking down here, as you can see, from the base. It wasn't leaking from the base before, so the previous base wasn't leaking, and now this one is. So I don't know what to do. Super frustrating. Okay, so problem solved. I hadn't put the collar back on. I didn't realize that you had to put the collar back on to test it, because there's a, what do you call it? I don't know what you call it. The big metal thing. Clasp, brace, whatever. You had to put that back on. Now the only thing left for me to do is put the collar on the bottom, and I didn't put the, what do you call this? O-ring clasp. I didn't put this back on. So I'll do that.